Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Bundesliga Team of the Season, how to earn the OTS point B and claim rewards in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how I can chance the event, how I can complete the quest, so I can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this Team of the Season banner event banner of the Team of the Season. So there's updates about this Team of the Season. There is a new chapter here, Bundesliga. So congratulations to Bayer Leverkusen for winning this league. So in this Bundesliga, you have to play, you have practice yourself in Bundesliga training. You can claim this the OTS point B by playing this skill game, by progressing in this skill game. So let's claim first. We got 50 of the OTS point B, and you can spend of your point in here. This is the reward path. Same with the Premier League chapter. All you have to do is practice yourself in the skill game or match game to earn point and spend the point to open the reward path. So after you open the path one by one, the top reward or the final reward is this one of you can all three final reward can be claimed with the OTS point B. So you can claim all of these three reward, not one of the reward. So you get Anton, Xavi Simons, and also rank up player Javier Mascherano. So challenge yourself in this Bundesliga chapter every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.